That's the tree you want for your garden right there, folks. That's a broadleaf evergreen. It's called a silk-tassel tree, Garrya elliptica. And look at the tassels on this thing. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? It's amazing the neglect that this thing tolerates. It never gets watered. It's growing in super poor soil. It's a native of coastal California. Maybe even very southern southwest coast of Oregon. So silk-tassel tree, Garrya elliptica. And this one's growing with eucalyptus trees, native Pacific madrona, the Senecio Garryaceae around it here from New Zealand. There's palm trees, yuccas, and just a really beautiful plant for any North Pacific garden. This one I planted, I'm going to say back in the 1990s. It was in really rough shape. When I planted it, it was tiny, and it is absolutely thriving now. Love the looks of this plant. So look for them at your garden center, a silk-tassel tree or Garrya elliptica. Isn't that something else? Just absolutely beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos here from the Gulf Islands, off the far west coast of Canada. Cheers.